Hello, lovely fans. Street life.
We are all in.
Street life.
Everybody there.
I know you are enjoying our series. Yes, you are enjoying it. You know what? We are about to drop the season 2. But just help us do this for you. Okay? Subscribe to BitEye Media. Share our links. Comment. Do everything to help push this project. And we promise to bring you the best, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
BitEye Media.
Think creative, be creative. You know what? My name is Ofori Anthony Kerriton Bones. You can follow me on IG as TTEE_Bones.official. T-Bones official. TikTok, Facebook, and the rest. Follow me, T-Bones.
Okay.
We love you.
Coverage girl here.
Hello, lovely fans of Street Life. It's your girl Tina Payne. I'm here to remind you of the season 2 coming. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and expect something big from me and my colleagues. Street Life, we are all in. Street Life, everybody there.
Hi there, my name is Michael, and I know you guys are enjoying the Street Life. And don't forget, we'll be bringing you season 2 of the Street Life series, and it's actually going to be fantastic. So don't forget to subscribe to BitEye Media, subscribe, like, and also share your comments about the series.
We are bringing you the season 2, and the season 2 expect nothing but the good things. Everything going to be massive, and you love it. Okay, Street Life, everybody there. Street Life, you're all in. BitEye Media, think creative, be creative, and I always go by the names Paakwesi _Junior.
Hi, lovely people of Street Life and BitEye Media Production. We want to say thank you to our fans, thank you to our viewers, thank you to our followers, thank you to our subscribers, and thank you for being able to subscribe. I hope you're gonna subscribe soon. My name is Kobe Bryce, director from BitEye Media Production. Of course, I know you have enjoyed our exciting series named Street Life. How was it? I want to pass a few comments on season 1, our first season of the series. It was, in fact, a fantastic season. Even though we had comments coming out, critiques and all that, we are going to keep our work harder coming to season 2. It was fantastic. It was fabulous to me, I must say. Even though starting this wasn't easy, bringing the people on board, Charlie, calling this, in fact, our sound guy, Zil, my camera guy, Bit himself, we had to sit on the round table to make sure that things come out possible. So everybody has done well. To my characters, Gabi, Shika, Yabebi, Gina. If I don't mention your name, please don't get bored. Softcare, Chengam, that guy, forget. PK, and all the good guys. Well, these guys, I was very thrilled with their performances. They did well in the series. It was a good thing. So coming up, season 2 is going to be mind-blowing. It's going to be exciting. More tragedy, comedy, everything you should expect in the season 2 coming up. So hopefully we'll be open for audition. If you want to join our Street Life production, just contact us. The number is just going down there. Call us and we are warmly welcome. We're gonna receive you as a family. It's gonna be boom, boom, boom. Street Life, and you say everybody. Street Life. We are all in. Till we see you again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share our links, to like, and leave a comment behind on the comment section below. We're gonna give you more thumbs ups. In fact, next year, some promo. If you have been able to watch, you're gonna award our lovely followers. So Charlie, keep watching Street Life. It's gonna be boom. Bye bye.
Thank you guys for supporting the the work that we are doing, and we are all hoping for the best for the next series that we are about to shoot, but it's not yet out. But now what we are shooting now is Street Life series by BitEye Media, and whenever we say BitEye Media, what do we say?
Think creative, be creative.
Thank you very much. This is BitEye Media. Think creative and be creative, guys. Charlie, you guys shouldn't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go to your YouTube channel, subscribe, share, comment, and do what?
Comment, share everywhere on your status, everywhere. Animal right,
Thank you very much.
I mean, you know,